So hello and welcome. In this video I will tell you how to make Snapchat account. So let's start the video. First you should go to Play Store and install Snapchat app. Install it. So you can see it is installing. Within 1 minute it will be installed. You can see it. Now I will go back and open Snapchat app. As you can see, sign up. Tap on sign up. Here tap on continue. Here you will tap on don't allow. Don't allow. Don't allow. Here you should tap your name, enter your name, and then tap on continue. Here you should select your birthday or birth date. So here I'm entering 15th of June 2002 and then tap on continue. Here you can change your username, and if you don't want to change, so this is your username. Here I will set my password. You can see I'm entering my password and then tap on continue. Here enter your email. Here enter your email and then tap on continue. Then select your country and enter your phone number and then tap on finish. Confirmation SMS will be sent to your number, so paste their confirmation code in this tab and then tap on continue. And here they are asking you to add 5 friends. So if you want to add, then you can add, and if you want to skip, so tap on skip. Here also tap on skip, then tap on continue, then tap on while using this app, then tap on continue. Then if you are male, tap on the male emoji, and if you are female, tap on the female emoji. There are few options for you, so you have to select one of them. You can select one of them and then tap on done, and your account is successfully created. Turn on don't allow while using the app and don't allow, and here you can see my account is successfully created, and then cancel it. This is successfully. Now I can use Snapchat app.